Lemko Language, Lesson 6, Genitive Case. Lemkівський язик, шеста лекція, рождаючий одмінок. Genitive case. Lemko has grammatical cases, most of which have various endings. We already learned the first one without knowing it, the nominative case. The nominative case takes no special ending. Nouns that are the subject of the sentence are in the nominative case. Nouns in the nominative case answer the questions хто, who, and что, what. The genitive case primarily shows possession. Nouns in the genitive case answer the questions кого, of whom, and чого, of what. Instances of when a noun is in the genitive case include possession, negation, certain verbs, certain prepositions, and dates. In this lesson, we will take a closer look at possession and negation using the genitive case. Personal pronouns in the genitive case. To say I in the genitive case in Lemko, you can either say мене, мене, мя, мя, ня, ня, or ня, ня. To say you singular in the genitive case, you can say тебе, тебе, or also тя, тя. To say he in the genitive case, it is його, його, or also ho, ho. To say she in the genitive case in Lemko, it is jej, jej. To say it in the genitive case in Lemko, it is його, його, or also ho, ho. To say we in the genitive case, it is нас, нас. To say you plural in the genitive case, it is вас, вас. To say you formal in the genitive case, it is вас, вас. To say they in the genitive case, it is ich, ich. Masculine nouns in the genitive case. To put a masculine noun in the genitive case, one would need to simply add an a, ya, u, you, or e at the end of the masculine noun. There is no set rule of which ending a masculine noun receives in the genitive case, and therefore they would have to be memorized as you go. Let's look at the examples below. Boroch, boroch, meaning enemy, becomes vorocha, vorocha. Hudak, hudak, meaning musician, specifically one who plays a string instrument such as the violin, becomes hudaka, hudaka. Muj, muj, meaning husband, becomes muja, muja. Duhan, duhan, meaning tobacco, becomes duhanu, duhanu. Vhľad, vhľad, meaning window, becomes vhľade, vhľade. Masculine nouns in the genitive case continued. There are two special rules to follow for masculine nouns in the genitive case. The first is, for masculine nouns that have one syllable and the lone vowel is E, that vowel becomes O in the genitive case. Let's look at the examples below. Bil, bil, meaning pain, becomes bolju, bolju. Dim, dim, meaning home, becomes domu, domu. Keen, keen, meaning horse, becomes konya, konya. The second rule is, for some masculine nouns that have a o or e as the final vowel, that letter is omitted in the genitive case. Gerok, gerok, meaning jacket, becomes gierka, gierka. Kierpec, kierpec, meaning moccasin, becomes kierpcha, kierpcha. Chlopec, chlopec, meaning boy, becomes chlopcha, chlopcha. Feminine nouns in the genitive case. To put a feminine noun in the genitive case, one must do the following. If in the nominative case the ending is a, then in the genitive case the ending becomes Conversely, if in the nominative case the ending is ya, it becomes e in the genitive case. Let's look at the examples below. Hâja, hâja, meaning house, becomes hâja, hâja. Jena, jena, meaning wife, becomes jenă, jenă. Noha, noha, meaning leg, becomes nohă, nohă. Chwilja, chwilja, meaning weather, becomes chwili, chwili. Vishnya, vishnya, meaning cherry, becomes vishny, vishny. Pasiya, pasiya, meaning passion, becomes pasiyi, pasiyi. Neuter nouns in the genitive case. To put a neuter noun in the genitive case, one needs to do the following. If in the nominative case the neuter noun ends in o, that letter becomes a in the genitive case. Conversely, if in the nominative case the last letter of the word is e, that letter becomes ya in the genitive case. Let's look at the examples below. Selo, selo, meaning village, becomes sela, sela. Povereslo, povereslo, meaning straw rope, becomes poveresla, poveresla. Pole, pole, meaning field, becomes polja, polja. Nazwisko, nazwisko, meaning surname, becomes nazwiska, nazwiska. Serce, serce, meaning heart, becomes serča, serča. Jabko, jabko, meaning apple, becomes jabka, jabka. Possession. As mentioned before, the genitive case can be made to show possession. Whatever or whoever is the owner, that word is in the genitive case. This can also be used to show of something or of someone. Let's look at the examples below. To jest jabłko chłopcze. To jest jabłko chłopcze. That is the boy's apple, or that is the apple of the boy. Kin żeny jest doma. Kin żeny jest doma. The wife's horse is at home, or the horse of the wife is at home. Pole sela jest szerokie. Pole sela jest szerokie. The village's field is wide, or the field of the village is wide. Another way to show possession is by using possessive pronouns. Let us look at the table below. First, we'll start with the masculine form. My is me. Your, singular, is twy. His is jeho. Her is jej. Its is jeho. Our is nasz. Your plural or your formal is wasz. Their is ich. Next, let's go on to the feminine. My is moja. Your singular is twoja. His is jeho. Her is jej. It is jeho. Our is nasza. Your plural or your formal is wasza. There is ich. Next, let's go on to the neuter. My is moje. Your singular is twoje. His is jeho. Her is jej. Its is jeho. Our is nasze. Your plural or your formal is wasze. There is ich. Lastly, we'll go on to the plural. My is moi. Your singular is twoi. His is jeho. Her is jej. Its is jeho. Our is nasze. Your plural or your formal is wasze. There is ich. Notice that for his, her, its, and their, the possessive pronoun does not change depending on gender or whether the noun is plural or singular. Possessive pronouns continued. Possessive pronouns provide some information to whom someone or something belongs. The genitive form does not need to be used as long as whatever or whoever is being owned is in the nominative case. Let's look at the examples below. To jest moja chyrza. To jest moja chyrza. That is my house. Jej kin jest doma. Jej kin jest doma. Her horse is at home. Nasze pole jest szerokie. Nasze pole jest szerokie. Our field is wide. Negation. Whenever negation of a noun is used in a sentence, that noun should be in the genitive case. To negate a verb or noun, the word ne is used. It means not. Let's compare the two sentences below. I don't drink coffee would be Ja ne piju kawę. Ja ne piju kawę. Kawę is in the genitive case. I drink coffee. Ja piju kawę. Ja piju kawę. Kawę is in the accusative case. We'll get more into the accusative case in later lessons. To negate something that is not present, the word neia is used. It means there isn't. Note, to say that there is something present, you use je or jest. It means there is. To say there isn't a man at home, you would say nie człowieka doma. Nie człowieka doma. Człowieka is in the genitive case. And we will compare this with there is a man at home. Jest człowiek doma. Jest człowiek doma. Człowiek is in the nominative case. This concludes Lesson 6. Please stay tuned for upcoming lessons.